Kamagani, welcome to Voices of Music. I'm Niharika, and I had a strong urge to make this video and talk about little things springing up in my head over the past 2 days. My throat is a little bad. It mostly is, so forgive me. However, what I was thinking about today, 2 days ago, was the idea of how nature actually works. So I was reading about this quantum theory, and I was trying to understand what quantum physics really is. And in plain words, it means that if me as an observer, I'm looking and observing a particular atom in movement, in their physical manifestation, it will stay as it is. But the moment I look away or I stop observing it, it turns into pure energy. Pure energy, like merges into subatomic particles, and that energy, that empty space inside it, with infinite possibilities. And my frequency, the frequency I exhibit in this exact moment, is exact frequency that particular atom, that particular manifestation, that particular energy will try to manifest in physical form, because it's full of infinite possibilities. And it's so strange because there's so many times where we keep our focus so hard and so focused. We seem so focused on all the things that are going bad and what we think might turn out to be bad. Instead, all we have to do is really just shift the focus and not think about it at all, and work on our own frequency and raise it to a level where whatever the consequence of the physical manifestation be, it will always be for the highest good, because we are imbibing that energy. And it's so strange how this actually works. It works. All the Newtonian laws don't actually fit when we discuss these things. I was recently looking at the Gateway Experience. It's a thing which was done by the US government. Basically, it's a series of record tapes which is used to sync both sides of your brain and raise you to a higher consciousness. And it's so similar to the yogic things we study here in India. We experience, we practice. And I was quite surprised by the results. In fact, it's quite similar. It's absolutely the same. And there was also this feeling that I was going through the last 2 days, where I was trying to really understand what is happening, and I was feeling this sort of uneasiness, this feeling that I cannot explain. But then I was like, maybe what if I had ordered something on Amazon and I was gonna get it? Will I feel the same type of uneasiness if I were excited about the thing that I ordered? And I was like, yeah, maybe. And so I tried to totally shift my mindset from being panicky to being overexcited about something that I ordered, something I wanted. Similarly, like anything that I might have tried to manifest maybe a week ago, maybe a month ago, maybe a few months ago, and it's gonna come true. And it worked. Honestly, something nice just came up. I just felt like sharing all this, recording all this, because it was buzzing in my head. Yeah, that's all. That's pretty much it.